Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Wednesday, May 18, 2022. Yesterday was a big up day for the markets. The markets gapped up sizably at the open, consolidated for a while, and then closed up at the highs of the session. The gap yesterday for the S&P was 66 points, which is the largest gap we've had in quite some time to the upside. So what we'll look at this morning is that type of pattern. What's happened following a big gap up that closed higher. So I've selected all four instruments. The setup is based upon entering long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, currently, we are trading lower in the overnight session. I'm going to add that to the test by going to the opening filters, gap direction, clicking on gap down. The next thing I'm going to click on is in the price patterns library. I'm going to take two pieces of information. I'm going to say that yesterday was a higher close. I'm going to grab that from the active today. It's the very first option. And then I'm also going to grab the very last option in active today, which is in the unique moves, which is day after largest up gap in 20 days. So that sizable up gap we had yesterday was the largest up gap in 20 trading sessions. So I've added that to the test. The last thing I'm going to do is go to the indicators library. I'm going to put us under a 200-day simple moving average, and then I'm going to click view results. And here we go. These are the results based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time, when you are gapping down and the prior day had the largest up gap of the past 20 sessions and it closed higher. That took place below a 200-day simple moving average. Historically, we've got 25 samples in the S&P, we've got 20 in the NASDAQ, 33 in the Dow, 40 in the Russell. If we look at the win rates on them, they're all just a touch weak. S&P coming in at 44%, NASDAQ 40%, Dow 48%, Russell 40%. If we look at the average moves, the average loss larger than the average win in the S&P. That is also the case here in the NASDAQ, in the Dow, and in the Russell. So all four of these have larger average moves to the downside compared to the moves to the upside, and all of the win rates are at least slightly weak, coming in less than 50% on all four of them. So historically, a little bit more of a bearish day following that pattern. Hopefully you found that helpful. Good luck today. We will see you next time.